Good morning, class. I hope you are good and fine. Class 2, subject maths. What comes between? Open your book, page number 2. What comes between 11 and 12? 12 number is between. What comes between number 14 and 16? 15 is between number. What comes between 17 and 19? 18 is between number. What comes between 20 and 22? 21 is between number. What comes between 23 and 25? 24 is between number. बिटवीन नंबर के जो नंबर आपका दरमियान में जो नंबर आता है वो आपका बिटवीन नंबर है. ओके. व्हाट कम्स बिटवीन 31 एंड 33? 32 is between number. What comes between 34 and 33? 35 is between number. 33 है. अच्छा चलो इसी को नीचे वाले. अच्छा. What comes between 34 and 36? 35 is between number. What comes between 37 and 39? 38 is between number. What comes between 40 and 42? 41 is between number. Activity number 1, write the number that comes between. Okay student, tell me what comes 22 and 24. Tell me student. 23 is between number. What comes 10 and 12? Tell me student. 11 is between number. Good. What comes between 48 and 50? Tell me student. 49 is between number. Good. Okay, last one. Tell me students. What comes between number 98 and 100? 99. Activity number 2. Homework page number 2, question number C in your copies. Thank you student. I hope you understood between number. God bless you. Stay home. Stay safe.